From territorial turtles to toxic tree frogs, here are 10 terrifyingly dangerous animals you should never approach. Number 10. The box jellyfish. The box jellyfish is often called the world's most venomous animal. While it might not be as well known as the great white shark or the Bengal tiger, the box jellyfish may very well be the most deadly of them all. The venom of this species can cause excruciating pain, paralysis, and even death in humans. In fact, between 1959 and 2008, there were at least 6,150 confirmed cases of box jellyfish stings in Australia alone, resulting in 10 deaths. There are 4 species of box jellyfish, and they're all native to the coastal waters of Australia and the Indo-Pacific region. These animals can grow up to 3 feet wide and 7 feet long, and they get their name from their box-shaped bell. What makes the box jellyfish so dangerous is its extremely painful sting. If you were to get stung by one, the venom would enter your body through the unfired stinging cells, and that would trigger an enormous amount of pain. This would be followed by paralysis, difficulty breathing, vomiting, and eventually cardiac arrest. So if you see a box jellyfish in the wild, don't even think about going anywhere near it. Number 9. The saltwater crocodile. The saltwater crocodile is one of the largest reptiles in the world. It's also one of the most aggressive and dangerous. These crocodiles are found in brackish waters, swamps, and rivers in South Asia and northern Australia. They're typically solitary creatures, but they'll come together when food is present. And boy, do saltwater crocodiles have huge appetites. They mostly eat fish, but they'll also go after mammals, birds, and reptiles. Humans have been known to fall prey to these crocs as well. If you encounter a saltwater crocodile in the wild, don't try to approach it or feed it. Keep your distance and make a loud noise to scare it away. If you're ever attacked by one of these animals, fight back and try to get away as fast as possible. No. 8. The hippopotamus. The hippopotamus is one of the most dangerous land mammals in Africa. These large, bulky animals are herbivores, but they can be extremely aggressive if they feel threatened. Hippos are responsible for more human deaths in Africa than any other large mammal. They can reach a maximum weight of 4,000 pounds, and they can move at speeds of up to 30 miles per hour on land. If a hippo wants to attack someone, nobody is safe.
Yes.
Their large mouths are filled with sharp teeth that can easily tear apart human flesh. But hippos don't just bite down on their prey, they also stomp on them. Their massive bodies can trample a person to death in no time at all. If you ever see a hippo in the wild, stay away. Don't try to feed it or pet it. Just keep your distance and enjoy the sight of this amazing creature from afar. Number 7. Blue-ringed octopus. With its vibrant blue ring, the blue-ringed octopus is one of the most beautiful yet terrifying animals on our planet. These creatures live in the Pacific and Indian Oceans where they feed on fish and other small prey. But what makes the blue-ringed octopus so dangerous is its venom. Just one of these animals contains enough venom to kill 260 people. If you were to get bitten by one, the pain would be unbearable. You wouldn't feel anything at first, but within minutes you would start to go numb. Eventually you would lose consciousness, and then your heart would stop beating. There is no anti-venom for the blue-ringed octopus sting. So, if you were bitten, your only hope would be a new experimental treatment. This involves injecting the victim with a synthetic version of the octopus venom. This can help to neutralize the pain and prevent paralysis. However, this treatment is still in the testing phase and has only been used on a handful of people. So if you see a blue-ringed octopus in the wild, don't even think about touching it. Number 6. Cape buffalo. The Cape buffalo is one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. These large, muscular creatures can weigh up to 1,100 pounds, and they can run up to 30 miles per hour. They have long, sharp horns that can grow up to 5 feet wide, and they're known to be incredibly aggressive towards humans. In fact, the Cape buffalo is responsible for more deaths in African hunters than any other animal. They're also known as the 3 most dangerous animals in Africa, along with the elephant and the rhino. These animals are very territorial, and they will attack anyone who invades their space. They're also very unpredictable and can charge without warning. So if you see a Cape buffalo in the wild, stay away. Don't try to approach it or feed it. Just keep your distance and enjoy the sight of this amazing creature from afar. No. 5. The African elephant. African elephants are the largest land mammals on the planet. They can weigh up to 13,000 pounds, and they can grow up to 13 feet tall. Despite their massive size, African elephants are incredibly nimble, and can run up to 25 miles per hour. They're also incredibly strong and have been known to lift up cars with their tusks. African elephants are herbivores, but they can be incredibly dangerous to humans. They're known to be highly territorial and will attack anyone who invades their space. They're also very protective of their young and will charge anyone who gets too close to their babies. In addition to being territorial and protective, African elephants are also very vengeful. They can hold grudges against humans for years and will seek revenge if they feel they have been wronged. So if you see an African elephant in the wild, stay away. Don't try to approach it or feed it. Just keep your distance and enjoy the sight of this amazing creature from afar. Number 4. The inland taipan. The inland taipan is a highly venomous snake that lives in Australia. It's considered to be the most venomous snake in the world. Just one bite from this snake can contain enough venom to kill 10 humans. The venom of the inland taipan is so potent that it can cause paralysis, bleeding, and organ failure. In addition, the snake's fangs are designed to inject venom directly into its victim's bloodstream. So if you're bitten by an inland taipan, you can expect to die very quickly. In fact, there has only been one recorded case of a person surviving an inland taipan bite. That's because the anti-venom was administered within minutes of the bite occurring. So if you see an inland taipan in the wild, don't touch it. Just back away slowly and hope that it doesn't strike. No. 3. The stonefish. The stonefish is one of the most venomous fish in the world. Its venom is so potent that it can cause excruciating pain, paralysis, and even death in humans. The stonefish is also known as the motherfish because its eggs are toxic and can kill prey fish before they even hatch. If you were to step on a stonefish, you would feel a sharp pain. Then your whole body would start to go numb. Within minutes, you would be paralyzed and unable to move. Soon after that, you would stop breathing, and then your heart would stop beating. There is no anti-venom for a stonefish sting, so if you're stung, your only hope is a new experimental treatment. This involves injecting the victim with a synthetic version of the stonefish venom. This can help to relieve the pain and prevent further complications. However, this treatment is still in the testing phase and has only been used on a few people. So if you see a stonefish in the wild, don't touch it. Just leave it alone. No. 2. The mosquito. The mosquito is one of the most dangerous animals in the world. These tiny insects are responsible for the deaths of more humans than any other animal. Each year, mosquitoes transmit diseases such as malaria, dengue fever, and Zika virus, which kill millions of people around the world. Mosquitoes are also known to carry West Nile virus and chikungunya virus, both of which can cause severe pain and disability. If you want to avoid mosquito bites, be sure to take precautions when traveling to areas where they are present. This includes wearing long clothing, using insect repellent, and sleeping under a mosquito net. Number 1. The giant squid. The giant squid is one of the most elusive and mysterious creatures in the ocean. These massive animals can weigh up to 275 pounds and grow up to 43 feet long. Despite their huge size, giant squids are very difficult to spot. Since they live in deep waters where there is very little light, giant squids are thought to be able to hunt seals, dolphins, and even sharks. They use their powerful tentacles to wrap themselves around their prey and then use their sharp beaks to tear them apart. Giant squids are also known to attack divers and swimmers. In fact, there have been several reports of giant squid attacking boats and dragging people into the water. So if you ever see a giant squid in the wild, be careful. Don't get too close because these animals are extremely dangerous.